It's cotton candy cloud.
Okay, divas, so jumping right into my skincare routine, we're going to start off with some organic coconut oil, and I'm going to take that on 2 cotton balls, and I'm going to remove each sides of my face, or each sides of my face. Whoa, that's a bit extreme. Each side of my face, I'm going to remove the makeup off of it. And I'm taking 2 cotton balls to do this because you definitely don't want to double dip and contaminate your coconut oil, and yeah, that would be bad. So I'm just taking 2 of them, and then I'm going to go ahead and just remove my makeup. I really like this. I used to use the Pond's, but I really like the coconut oil better because I feel more safe and like I'm not stripping my skin dry or anything. Not that the Pond's did that, I just feel a lot safer with coconut oil. So now I'm going to go in with the Olay Cleanse makeup wipes, and I really love these. They're very gentle on the face, and they also get the makeup off really good, especially in combination with the coconut oil. So yeah, I absolutely love these. I would definitely recommend them. They are a little bit pricey for $30. I think they're about $7 or $8, maybe even $10, but I feel like they're totally worth it. Okay, divas, so I wanted to kind of interrupt my skincare routine to bring you guys this product. So this is by the brand Mix Easy, and this is their skincare system. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox that for you guys and show it to you guys. So here is pretty much what it looks like straight out of the box. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys, like, I guess what each one is. Hopefully there's like a description. Okay, so it also comes with a pamphlet to tell you like what everything is, which is really, really good. And it even has brushing methods for your face, which I think that is absolutely amazing. So yeah, everything, so I'll go over everything really quickly with you guys so we can get right back to my skincare routine. So it does come with this large brush, which is their body brush, which I'm really excited to use. I don't think I've ever had a brush in a skincare system, so that's really good, or a body brush, excuse me. So then it also comes with 2 cleansing brushes, which is really good, so that you don't have to worry about, if I can get it out, is this one right here, the cleansing brush. Let me try to push it out. Okay. So this is the one we're going to be using tonight. So this is their, what is it called again? Their cleansing brush, which we're going to be using that. So I'll put that to the side. And it also comes with another one here, so you have an extra one. It also comes with an exfoliation brush, as well as a pumice stone, as well as a polish accessory, and those are both found here. It also has a stand, a base unit, which is right here, and then of course you have your actual brush, of course. So this is what it looks like. So we'll go ahead and attach that brush, but I wanted to go ahead and unbox it. And if you guys are interested, definitely check the link in the description box below. I'll be sure to go ahead and leave it there, along with any coupon codes or anything I may have. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have one yet, but definitely make sure you guys check it out. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try this brush out and incorporate it in my skincare routine. Now I'm gonna go ahead and continue on. I'm going to use the spin brush as well as my Olay foaming cleanser, and oops, yeah, that happens quite often to me. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and take my gentle cleanser and I'm gonna apply it to this brush. Now I really do like this brush because it's very soft, it's not very harsh on the skin. While I am able to exfoliate, I do not like anything too rough on my skin because it'll cause my skin to become irritated, and I do not need that at all. So yeah, I really do love the fact that this brush exfoliates very well, but it's not like too harsh or anything. So yeah, I'm really liking this brush, and I would definitely recommend it to you guys. I'm definitely going to be keeping this in my nighttime skincare routine because the brush works absolutely amazing, and I'm so glad that they gave me 2 of those brush heads as well as the other things that come with it. I'll have a link down in the description box below in case you guys are interested in checking them out. It's definitely very affordable, and this is a pretty nice spin brush for your skincare routine, so definitely check them out. So now that I'm all done rinsing my face and everything after I have exfoliated further into my skin with that cleanser and that brush, I'm going to go ahead and scrub my lips because, girl, we do not need crusty lips. So I'm using the Raw Sugar lip scrub, and I really like this. I actually got this at BeautyCon, and oh my gosh, I really love it. Like, I've been using it ever since I got it, and it's actually a decent amount left. So then I just went in and wiped it off with a makeup wipe, and then I'm going to follow up with and pair it with their Raw Sugar lip balm, and oh my gosh, it smells so yummy. So now I'm going to go in with my Olay Mist. This is the one with hyaluronic acid, so it's going to make my face feel very calm and moisturized, which is so good at night. And now I'm going to go in with the Olay Eyes, and this is the eye gel. I absolutely love this. I feel like it definitely helps to make my eyes feel calm and very soothing. And then now I'm going to go in with the Olay Night Cream. This is very moisturizing, and I just really like it. I don't incorporate an oil at this time just because this is so hydrating. And I also use other hydrating products during the day by Olay, which I will be sharing that with you guys soon. Make sure you guys give this a thumbs up if you want to see my daytime routine. But yeah, that is pretty much my skincare routine. I hope you fabulous girls have enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you fabulous girls did, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe, and I will see you fabulous girls in my next video. Bye.